Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video we are going to go up to Sydney and we're going to go to a Google event. So as you guys can tell, I'm at the airport. I'm kind of standing in an awkward spot. It's the Wi-Fi section. Yeah, there's not a lot of people and I don't want people to like really stare at me, so this little corner will have to do. But yeah, we're going to go for the Google Pixel 4 launch. I am so excited. It's going to be an all-white party, and I've also got a hotel in a pretty sweet spot in the city, so you guys will see that as well. I will try and vlog mostly on this, but I think at the event I'm just going to vlog on my phone. This is the Google Pixel 3 XL, just because my little man purse, my little clutch, is very thin. I don't think this camera is going to fit. So, but yeah, I'm going to take you guys along, share with you guys my whole experience, and yeah, it's going to be overall really fun.
Electronic device, if you drop this at your seat.
Alright guys, I've gotten off the plane and now I'm just going to collect my bag. So I did check it in. I think I'm there. Might be on the other side, but we'll see. And today we'll be taking a train. Normally when I'm in Sydney I take an Uber and stuff like that, but today I actually got in early, so I think I'm just going to take a train. And also because the hotel I'm staying at is at pretty much that Circular Quay, so it's not too far. Maybe a few minutes walk from the station, so it's not too bad. And as you guys can tell, I'm on the train. We're currently stopped at Central Station. I have to get off at Circular Quay. I didn't realise you could pay your fare using your phone or like your ATM card now here in Sydney. I did hear about it, but I didn't really think it was a thing yet. I thought you always had to use your Opal card, but that's handy, so I just use my phone. I've been using Google Pay recently, so that's been a very handy thing. And by the looks of it, I'll get to the hotel probably an hour earlier than expected. By the looks of it, I'll probably get to the hotel an hour before check-in, so that's fine. I'll probably wander around the city, find something to eat, and then maybe go to Priceline to grab a couple of things. As per usual, I forgot a couple of things, so doing my normal thing, going to buy things while I'm here. Alright guys, so we're here at Circular Quay. My hotel is somewhere here, I don't really know. I think it's in that direction, but just wanted to show you this. This view never ever gets old. So pretty. And apparently the hotel has a view of this as well, so I'm pretty happy and pretty excited about that. Yeah, this is so cool. Alright guys, so I am finally here at the accommodation. I thought it was going to be like a hotel, but it's more of like a service apartment, I believe. So I'm staying at the Sibel Circular Quay West, and it's pretty much near Circular Quay train station. So pretty, and the room was actually available half an hour earlier than expected, or half an hour before check-in, so that was really good. I will be heading out in a minute to get some food because I'm quite hungry, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys the room before I head off. Look, I cannot wrap my head around sometimes, actually a lot of the times, not sometimes, like a lot of the times that I get invited to events like this and I get perks as well, and yeah, this is just, it's very overwhelming. It makes me feel like I'm very lucky, very blessed to do what I do. But this is the room. So this is the front door, that's the laundry, and then they have this kitchen. Like I said, I thought it was going to be a hotel, but obviously with the cold kitchen and the laundry stuff, it's more of a service apartment. And then when you turn here, ta-da girl, look at that. That is just insane, absolutely insane. And then this place also gave me some treats, which is pretty good because I'm going to be peckish soon. I will have the lamingtons first because they might go off, they might go stale if I don't eat them soon. And that's pretty much and then there's like obviously a lounge. But I'll show you guys the view. When I first saw the view, I thought like, okay, that's really cute. That's really cute. I like it. Oh well, wrong one. I really like it. When I looked up online what this hotel looked like and like the view, I thought I was going to see the Sydney Harbour Bridge, but as soon as I got here, like I saw this. It's cool, it's nice, I like it. But then you turn here, let me just pull up the blind, let me get this all ready. Pull the blinds up and then ta-da girl. Sydney Harbour Bridge, hello. That is insane. Absolutely insane. And then apparently there's a pool here where you get a better view of the harbour as well. So I might go up in a minute. So I might go up there when I come back from having lunch. But look at that. That is incredible. It's insane. And I don't know if you guys can see the reflection of the Sydney Opera House from that building over there. That is insane. Honestly, thank you so much to the team at 1,000 Heads for like arranging all of this. Like honestly, this is insane. It's amazing. I love it. And words cannot express, honestly. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some food before I get any dizzier because I'm getting that hungry dizzy. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna go find like a Woolworths, Coles, but this is pretty much the outside. I mean, look at that building. So pretty. I think I need to head towards Wynyard Station, so it says like 450 meters that way. I don't really want to go back down that way, so I think I might just cross the road. I think I might just cross the street here and then just walk all the way down there. Honestly guys, I'm a bit gobsmacked. I've never truly been to this part of Sydney before. I think I'm pretty close to where Shanae and Jacob stayed last time, so I kind of know where I am, but wow, I've never been here before. Such an amazing place. Ooh, a Catholic church. I haven't been to church in a while. Wow, this place is, it's so pretty, and I just can't get over the fact that I'm here. Okay, so I'm back in the hotel. As you guys can see, I'm in the bathroom. You can hear the echo. So I just pretty much went to Metro, which is at the Wynyard train station. I went to Woolworths, just got some chicken fingers. I love that. I got some chicken fingers, I got that for lunch, and a sushi roll. I bought two, got one for later, just in case I'm feeling peckish and I don't want to go back out. And I also bought a coffee. The coffee kind of gave me a bit of a headache, to be completely honest, and I didn't bring any Panadol this time. Oh well, water therapy it is, it's fine. So it's currently 4:49. I'm just about to hop in the shower. I just want to freshen up. I feel a little bit sticky from the plane and just walking around. And then I'm going to prep my skin and get ready for the event. I did bring a face mask with me. So this one is the Patchology one. I don't think I'll have enough time really. But I will do an exfoliating mask. This one is the Ole Hendrickson. Ole Hendrickson. And I also want to show you guys the makeup that I brought with me. So I've got my little makeup bag here. This one is a Samsonite one. I didn't buy this. This was gifted to me. It's actually quite good. Actually, when I first got this, I thought it was a camera bag. Silly me. But it's actually a makeup bag. So this is actually pretty cool. So it's got everything. So it's got little compartments. It's got these things as well that you can sort of like detach. That way you can make little compartments. But obviously I just used one and it's not even in properly. But I really like this one because it's also got this little brush holder thing. So it's got all the brushes that I'm probably going to need, probably a little bit more. It's got all my liquid stuff in a sandwich bag, just in case anything leaks. And then obviously I've got my essentials, got my Maybelline Fit Me powders, got the Jackie Aina palette. Honestly, I'm just gonna go for like a brown smoky eye. This isn't a makeup event, so normally when I do my makeup for non-makeup events, I try not to be super wow, super colorful. I try and keep it like a neutral eye. I don't know, that's just how I work things out in my head, how I like to brand myself. But yeah, I've also got my beauty sponge. That's a Real Techniques one. Got some lip liners, eyeliners, color corrector obviously. I also brought the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero glow kit because that stuff's amazing. And then I also have, it's one of my favorite bronzers. This is the Fenty Beauty one. The one I use is called a Beige and Gal, which is really pretty. Got some contour and then just some blush. I might go a little bit heavy on blush tonight, but we'll see how things go in terms of makeup. But yeah, that's pretty much my plan, and then I'll get changed into all white. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm not gonna get my hair wet, obviously. I'm just gonna put this on while I'm in the shower, and then we'll do the makeup. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be vlogging on the phone now, just because this little thing is so thin. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so thin, I can't put my vlogging camera in that. And also this is, I don't know if I have told you guys, this is a Real Techniques brush holder. I did have like this little Merce thing from him, but actually it was a white one. I cannot find it for the life of me. I went through all my boxes, or well, not all of them, most of my boxes last night, like from when we moved, and I can't find it. This will have to do, just essentials, you know, cards and whatnot. But this is the outfit. Shorts are Target, shirts Target, shoes are women's Kmart ones. Yeah, so I think it's gonna take me 20 minutes to get to the event. Well, it says 16 minutes, but I'm also taking into account traffic. Sorry, I really wish I brought a safety pin so this would sit down properly. But yeah, feeling a bit nervous now. But I'm really liking the whole white thing. And from what I've seen so far from the event, let me just fix that. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna head down in a minute, and then I'll show you guys around at the event. Okay, so here we are. I can see some people in white already, but this is for the Google Pixel 4. How exciting. I think it's too early to go in yet. Alright guys, so this is the first bit of food. I have no idea what it is, but it actually smells really good. Don't know how to eat it either, but I'm guessing you just eat it with your fork. So here we go. Alright guys, we've got another drink. Black orange. Yummy. Oh my gosh guys, got a new phone! So I got the orange one.
Look at that colour. Show it.
It's so bright. I love it.
So bright. But it matches. It matches you. It's your vibe. I'm feeling the colour.
Hey everyone, it's the next day. So I definitely had a little bit too much to drink, but it's fine. I feel okay. I just need to get some food because I'm quite hungry. Alright guys, I've had breakfast. Now we're gonna check out the pool and recreation deck. Apparently no drinks, food. Wow, this is pretty cool. Oh, so obviously you've got the harbour bridge over there. Wow, this is very cool. I love the view. So obviously we've got the harbour bridge, and then we've got the Sydney Opera House. This is so cinematic. Oh. Wow, this has been an incredible experience. I'm glad I woke up earlier so I could actually do all this stuff. But I think I need to head back to my room and pack my bag, just so that I have enough time. I think I'm going to go back to my room now so I can pack. I don't really have much to pack, but still, I want to get everything done and dusted. Then I'll check out. I'll leave my bag probably at reception, and then just do the things that I need to do. I will try and find a phone shop that might have a screen protector for this. Might is the word, because again, this phone hasn't been released yet, so excited.